Guys, kagagaling lang namin ni Ronald dito at binili namin si JM ng gift. Mashallah. And here you go. So, pambata talaga. At ano binili natin?
Nintendo Switch OLED.
Yeah. So, syempre yung mga bata gustong-gusto to. At titingnan natin reaction ni JM kung matutuwa ba siya or hindi. Tingin mo matutuwa siya?
Siyempre, kahit ako matutuwa.
Feeling ko si Ronald talaga ang gusto maglaro nito kaya pinabili niya. Pero, yeah, let's see kung okay ba or hindi. Siyempre, it's a gift for JM. So, hanap kami ng wrapper para marap naman namin. Okay, so let's go! Guys, dumaan kami dito para bumili ng wrapper para syempre gusto namin makita yung reaction ni JM pag bubuksan niya itong gift. Mukhang mas Ronald pa ma-excite, no? So, check namin. At ito na, tada, bumili lang kami ng wrapper kaso si ate nakikiusap kaming iparap sa kanya kaso yung cutics daw niya. Oh my God! So, kami yung mag-wrap at tutulungan pa rin kami ni ate. Yay! Ate, thank you so much, ate Galord!
Parang ako pa mas matutuwa dito kaysa sa bata.
Ang mahal-mahal pala dito. Hindi ko na-expect. Dapat sa ito na binili natin.
Ganon din eh.
Ayan, si ate pa rin tuloy. Kahit yung critic siya nakulagit tayo. Kung saan mo magalit ka? Kailangan natin protektahan ang kamay niya. Iba pa rin talaga pag nakarap yung regalo pas bubuksan mo. Kasi yung nakabukas na ate. Kasi maka-curious ka kung ano ba yung laman ng regalo. Yung nakarap.
Ngayon lang po talaga yan ate. Yung cutics nyo ngayon lang. Basa-basa pa.
Squirrels vlog. Kaya wala na po mga personal vlogs. At meron din po kami travel agency pag gusto nyo pumunta ng tourist visa. Ay, talaga nag-promote. Ang name po niya is Albag Alabian. So, kung may kukunin po kayo sa Pinas or may asawa po kayo sa Pilipinas.
Or may employer.
Visa, or may... Yung ito po hindi po nag-hire sa Pinas. Baka po pwede yung process natin.
At pala pinakita muna natin yung daliri ni ate para before and after.
Nasira din, hindi tayo.
10,000. Kahit po ka.
5 naman po. Yeah, guys, here you go. So, sisirain lang din naman. Thank you po. Thank you, ate. Thank you. Special thank you to ate dito sa
Baka may gusto po kayong shoutout.
Guys, we're here. Nasa bahay na kami. At ngayon is pupuntahan na namin si JM. So, let's go. So, yun na si Ronaldo. JM, where's JM? We have a gift for you. Sit down, sit here, sit there. Happy birthday! What will you say?
What do you want?
What do you want?
ESP.
What is that?
I want that.
Okay. Open it here, open here, open. Go, open. Oh. Open it here. Oh.
It's hard. I cannot open it.
Oh. What is that?
What is this?
What is that?
Please.
I cannot switch.
Yes.
Nintendo Switch. Wait, Nintendo Switch.
What is that?
Nintendo Switch.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi pa nakikita po eh.
I can open.
I will help you.
Oh, Daddy will help you.
So I will take off my fingers.
Yan din, ngayon ko lang kilos ko na.
What?
What's our
games?
Oh.
Oh.
What's our games?
Where's the Pokemon?
Later,
Kayo
by
rin na.
tomorrow we will buy.
Oh, open it!
Sa'yo na lang yun, akin to ah. Here.
Yeah, here, there. Okay. Wow.
Oh, dahan-dahan lang.
Wow.
Outro.
Okay. Ay.
Hindi tayo nangyayari mga freebies, no?
Check mo yun. Nasaan yung ano? What is that?
Oh, I will open this first.
Ay.
And
Okay.
I will open this.
No, this.
Oh, then we got this.
Ito sa ano yan, TV.
Ayun, i-open mo yun. Jem, that one.
This one.
Oh,
Ko you're not opening it.
no, give me that.
Ayaw ko yan.
Wait, I gotta open it.
Yan sa TV.
That's for the TV. And then this one. Oh my God, this is big JM. This is a big screen.
Dagdagan niya ko mahawa.
Open this. You open the. Give me the red one.
Oh, uy.
Oh, baka malaglag.
Alam niya.
Ay! You know how, ah? How did you know that, JM? How did you know that? Ay!
Gina, Gia.
Give me this. Give me this.
Alam
I want
niya.
to put it there. Wait, is it only the paw? It's only a leaf?
You like it? You like your gift?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
that's mine.
Ay!
Let's open it.
1,600 dyan.
The food.
Ay, look, Jemo! Jemo!
Why?
Oh! My. Mashallah. Wow, you like that? That's so big. Ay, wow!
English.
English. Oh, Kuya
I'll
Ronald.
go there.
English. Where's the English?
There.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Ay, touchscreen.
dahan-dahan lang.
Wow! What will you say? What will you say?
Thank you.
Oh, kiss kuya. Kuya Ronel.
Ah, kiss me.
Kailangan siguro natin.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Okay. It's a prank. It's not yours. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's not be yours. You like that? You like that? You like that?
Yes.
It's not yours. It's mine. Happy birthday. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, give me that. I'll keep it.
No.
No. Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're expecting 4 presents yesterday, right? That's your presents.
Study very well, okay?
You study very well, Jem. Okay?
Okay.
Hug me. Hug. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not yours. It's for Kuya Renz.
It's only mine.
It's only mine. Your 7th birthday. Ang laki pala niya, no? Kaya pala kamahal eh.
Ito? Kinuha bigla. Baka masira.
It's not JM's. Give me. Ay.
No, dance. Because you...
Oh, what will you say? You have to say
Thank
something.
you.
More.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna use it every day, ah. I will use it every day.
No, I will follow you this.
Sino nagregalo na? Sino may gift? Ha?
Gift for me.
Oh, who?
From?
Gift
From?
From Kuya. Kuya Ronel and Kuya Ruel.
Ah.
Oh, what did you say to Kuya Ronel?
Thank you.
Oh, Kuya Ronel.
Kiss
Hug
mo,
time.
kiss Kuya Ronel.
Oh.